Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find anything in Asana using advanced search. This powerful feature lets you quickly locate specific tasks, projects, or conversations across your entire workspace, saving you time when you're dealing with dozens of ongoing projects. First, go ahead and open the Asana web app and log into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar. This is your gateway to finding anything within Asana, whether it's a task you created months ago or a project someone shared with you last week. Click inside the search text field to activate it. You'll notice a filter-shaped icon appears inside the search field. This is the advanced search icon, and clicking on it unlocks the full power of Asana's search capabilities. Go ahead and click it now. Now you can start typing keywords related to what you're looking for. This could be anything from a project name, a task title, or even a word you remember from a description. As you type, Asana will begin suggesting options to help narrow down your search. Here's where advanced search really shines. You'll see several filter options appear that let you refine your search by specific criteria. These include type, which lets you filter by tasks, projects, or messages, location to search within specific projects or teams, owner to find items assigned to particular people, members to see items someone is collaborating on, and status to filter by completion state. These filters work together to help you zero in on exactly what you need. Feel free to add as many filters as necessary to refine your results. The more specific you are, the faster you'll find what you're looking for. This is especially helpful in large workspaces where a simple keyword search might return hundreds of results. Once you've set your filters, press Enter or click the search button to execute the search. Asana will instantly scan your workspace and display all matching results. Take a moment to review the search results. You'll see a list of tasks, projects, or conversations that match your criteria, each with relevant details like assignee, due date, and project location. When you spot the item you're looking for, simply click on it to open it directly. From there, you can view all the details, make updates, or add comments as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.